Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet cat bookmark, and I made it with medium worsted yarn and F hook. The pattern is down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And I have a playlist down below for beginner stitches. Also, if you need to place this video in slow motion, there is a link down below in the description on how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to create the magic circle. If this is your first time, the link is down below. I just wrap it around my fingers and then grab the yarn, pull it through, and then yarn over and pull it through. I'm going to create another chain, and then I'm going to work 9 half double crochet inside the ring. So yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn over and pull through all 3 loops for a half double crochet. Repeat that around. I want 10 all together with the chain 2 included. So I have the 3. Pull it closed, slip stitch into the chain 2, and then create a chain 2, work a half double crochet in the same stitch, and then 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. This will create an increase. And then just work 2 half double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 20. Work that all the way around until you get to the beginning. And now you're going to slip stitch into the chain 2. And then chain 2. That counts as your first stitch. You're going to go to the next stitch and you're going to work 2 half double crochet. This is an increase. Then you're going to work 1 half double crochet in the next, and then 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch. And then 1, and then 2 again, repeat that until you get back to the beginning. 1 stitch and then 2 and then 1, 2, and then repeat. And slip stitch into the chain 2, slip stitch again and again, chain 1, and then go to the next stitch. This is for the ear. Half double crochet twice, and then chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, half double crochet twice again in the same stitch, and then chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next 4 stitches, 1 and 2, and then chain 1, half double crochet into the next stitch twice, and then chain 2, slip stitch into that second chain from the hook, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. It should look like this. You have 2 ears, and then slip stitch into the next 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, go to 13, slip stitch all the way to the center here, and then you're going to create the tail with your chains. So I did a chain count of 50, then I'm going to go back up here and then around, half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, then half double crochet again, then work a half double crochet in the next chain 3 times, then half double crochet in the next chain 3 times. You're going to do this for a total of 10. We're on the 3rd one now. Now we're on the 4th. 3 half double crochet in the chain. So you have 5 more chains. Work the half double crochet 3 times in each chain, and then it'll start coiling. After you have the 10, then you're just going to half double crochet. You can do more if you want it more of a twist coil here. If not, you can continue with a half double crochet in each chain until you get to the top. And then just work that all the way up. Now go back into the same stitch and slip stitch, and then you're going to slip stitch your way up until you get to the ear. You can fasten off, and then just weave in your ends 3 to 4 times to secure them and hide them in the back. And then you can just cut this yarn. Now you can do the eyes. I have these little beads that I'm going to go ahead and hot glue gun them on. You don't want to use eyes that are too big because it is for a book. And then I'm going to sew on a nose with a mouth and some whiskers. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this crochet cat tutorial, and the pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.